I haven't seen anybody talking about this online, and I wanted to record a really quick video, summary of which is, looks like Profoto has been listening to their customers and redesigned the OCF Speedring. The OCF Beauty Dish is an incredible modifier. It's beautiful. Been loving the results that I'm getting from it when working on location, and it packs extremely small because it's a box, so it's basically a flat bag with the Speedring, rather than taking the traditional soft lighter, which is a metal dish and you have to pack it into a case or a box, and it's just a little more unwieldy, and you wouldn't take it on quick shoots because it's just not worth it. But while the modifier is fantastic, I always kind of thought that the Speedring sort of let the system down a little bit. And what I mean by that is it almost feels like it's a little too clever. The original design, the back is completely skeletonized, meaning that a lot of the extra material that's not necessary has been removed. It's just not filled in. Fortunately, it's very, very easy to break the Speedring. If you don't disassemble the box specifically the way you're supposed to, one of these little veins will snap off. And if you look at the reviews on Amazon and other places specifically for the Speedring, you'll notice a lot of people are upset about it. Some of those folks also tried to use the RFI boxes with the OCF Speedring, and they don't work. But even the folks that were using the correct modifier with the Speedring had trouble. Well, obviously, I had trouble during a photo shoot and one of mine broke. What's nice about it is I contacted Profoto and they did mail me a new one. And it took a little bit of time. They said it was back ordered, and I can see exactly why it took time. They have redesigned the structure. Maybe redesigned is too strong a word. They basically have filled in some of the areas that frankly probably should have been filled in from the beginning. But hopefully this will make the Speedring a bit stronger and keep it from breaking quite so easily. Still, you do have to be careful about how you disassemble it. The procedure, it seems to be a little unclear for some folks, but basically you do not want to push straight out, but rather you sort of pull out the ribs on the box first, and they go to a half-point detent. And they're kept captive, which is kind of nice because it makes it easier to disassemble and assemble the box. But you do not want to pull all the way out. You basically pull out, and you see that it sort of like comes apart like a tent. Just if you pull straight this way, you'll break it. If you pull out, you have to release some of the tension with your thumb and lift up on the rib and then pull it out a little bit, and it goes to this sort of like half position. To put it back together, you then just pull back and push it in. Pull back and push it in.